And then you have the range would be true or false, in other words, switch on, switch off. And to regulate the intensity, or to adjust it, then the action here would be dim in, and to check the value, you'd say data dimmer, and the range here would be between 100, 0 to 100. So the example here, programming would be as follows on the screen. For example, switching on and off a light, or to adjust intensity. If you turn it on, first, if you want to switch it on, that is, you need the API, then that gives you access to the home, and then we can interact with it. So we can turn the light on, and with a switch functionality with value 1, we would turn it on. And if we want to regulate the intensity, that would be with dimming value, and the value would be 1, for example. And you say you want dimming, you give the value of 15. And that way and that's one way of interacting with the system. And that can be done remotely or in the household itself. And then to get the value of or state of the device, you get access to the home through the API, and then through the get value of device, and through the data switch functionality, you identify the device and you get the value, and then you know the state of the status or state of the intensity, for example, or luminosity. And that brings my presentation to a close. Conclusions, however. So with DAI, it basically first to extract the characteristics of the device in such a way that we can improve the interoperability of all, in a distributed way, of all these technologies, so we can interact with the whole system through the access interface, and therefore enable the developers to be able to develop all the appropriate user environment interfaces. Now, the different lines of research is introduction of artificial intelligence services, to learn about the users' performance, users' customs or habits, and the different levels of the devices, so that we can also for this, enable the user to discover the different services and to subscribe them, and to introduce protocols, connection protocols, and safety transport of the access interface, the safe access of the interface. And lastly, the new interface access systems for people. And that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.